Hi guys, if you've always thinking that if you want to stay in a very good township, one that is developed beautifully, but then you must spend at least 700, 800, 900,000, 1 million to stay there, there is something very, very exciting coming up. You don't have to give up your current lifestyle and you still can stay in a wonderful township. Alright, to know more, register at duduk.my, duduk.my. Alright, go register yourself and understand more this exciting concept coming from a very, very well-known developer. Cheers! Hi! Really nothing to do, so I guess I'll watch the RS6 again. But before that, maybe I can go through every single button in this car. But the funny thing is, this car isn't, in terms of interior, it is identical to the Audi A6 Hybrid. Maybe the Audi A6 Hybrid has a little bit more buttons than this too. But anyway, here's an interior look on the RS6, which I've gone through before, but then today I'll try and talk about every single button, alright? This one has the first generation blind spot warning system. So you see a little button here is for us to switch off the blind spot warning so that this thing won't light up when there is a car. Now that I press it, it will turn on and it's rather bright. Okay, and then here we have the seat button memory setting, 1, 2, nicely laid out here. That's the thing with Audis, you know, they design every single thing, right? The door lock and unlock button. For RS, you have a cut through here. You see that? There's a cut through, only for RS models. Okay, here are to switch on the headlamps and all that. You can just feel this panel's quality compared to the one on the Aston, right? This is so high quality. So Audi really knows their shit. But the Aston one is because it's part spin, forced by Ford maybe. So here would be the window control buttons, and right, so you can lock for rear. Child, left or right, you can choose left or right. That's pretty nice. And I really love how Audi designs their door bins. You know, slot your palm through here. On a long distance drive, it's very comfortable. This is slanted, same angle as this, so you can put a large bottle here. And here they put the boot release button. And here that will be the Bang & Olufsen speaker grills. Very nicely finished, smooth, no sharp edges unlike the C-Class. Here we have the inlays. Of course you have carbon inlays here, but I'm not sure this is the same as Audi A6 Hybrid or not. This part is polished aluminium, very nice material, gloss black here. This is gloss black, some high quality stuff, man. Lovely. And I can press this to retract the screen, something that is very, very rare now. You don't see this anymore in cars, you know. To them it's like, oh, that mechanism is expensive, blah blah. And just this one to reset the counter. And this has got to be one of the prettiest analog dials out there. Okay, I still prefer these type of dials than a full digital. You know, I think it's part of a craftsmanship thing to see car makers craft their dials a bit like analog watches or mechanical watches. Alright, and on top of here we have the heads-up display, and then that's the Bang & Olufsen tweeter that will rise up and down just like the Aston. Okay, and then down here we have the auto start stop control button. This is the eject button for the CD, and then this is the parking sensors. You can switch it off. That's traction control. Not much of buttons here, not many buttons here. Here would be the HVAC controls, seat heater, and then auto climate, rear, recirculation. choosing this layout is not the most intuitive, I would say. You press one thing and then you select. So this dial doesn't just do temperature control, okay? You press the fan speed and then you can turn the fan speed. They switch off the blue and red, okay? And then you press this, which is now is in auto, but you can choose top, you know, legs, and then facing the front, so you can go back to auto, okay? And then you can press back the auto and then this turns on. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but after that it's rather logical, okay? The center here is carbon, very glossy carbon, thanks to Auto Detailer for returning the gloss on the carbon fiber. Alright, over here it looks busy, but it's actually not. Start stop button over here, and then you have this volume control knob. Interesting, you'd be like, why is this not there? But somehow here allows the driver and the passenger to comfortably control it, okay? One press the music starts, one press the music stops, volume, and then previous next, alright? Here would be the MMI controls. This is the really nice material MMI control button. These are the soft keys, these are the shortcut buttons. The soft keys correspond to the screen, which screen you're at, and then all four corners are the options, alright? Main menu, back, and car, okay? So that's about it for here. As for here, you have the button to turn the light. Individual buttons. So you want the car to light up when you open the door, you just on this, so when you open the door it lights up. And then this one's for rear passenger, front passenger. This looks like a button. Okay, it is a button. Okay, I was so... Okay, I was like, is this a panel or a button? Yeah, okay. And here would be the sunglass holder. Yep. What other buttons are there? As for the rear passenger, it's just the HVAC controls for the rear passengers, alright? So there's nothing much else. Anything I miss? No, nothing. Yep, that's the interior of an RS6. Some of the most comfortable seats in the business. Exactly the same shape as the one in my S4. Lovely. Okay. There are no compartments here. This one full of tissue. Alright, I guess. Oh, steering wheel. Sorry. Previous, next, scroll, menu, and then you have volume. This is a shortcut key you can set for certain functions, and then you have the signal stalks, and then the wiper stalks, and the really tiny paddle shifters for a big car. Okay, and a lovely steering wheel. Yup, that's about it. Let's wash the car.
哇他妈的下雨
It rains all of a sudden while I was finishing up. Oh my god, now clear the raindrops.
I just want you all to check out the raindrops on this pure wax thing. Of course my car has coating as well, but pretty amazing, huh? There you go.
Soy el fuego que